This is pharmacist and clinical nutritionist John Prexshot bringing you another edition of Nutritional Notes. Today I will be talking about sports nutrition. Since the time of ancient civilization, athletes have attempted to enhance their athletic performance with various nutritional approaches. However, as our knowledge of athletic metabolic physiology increases, we have learned that recovery from the rigors of intense exercise is just as important as actual athletic performance in the athlete's total training program. When an athlete is able to recover faster, the athlete can train harder and perform at a higher level. This enhancement of athletic recovery is the basis of sports nutrition. In assessing sports nutrition and supplements, it is important to remember that all athletes are not the same. There are marked differences in nutritional needs between endurance athletes and strength athletes, between conditioned athletes and reconditioned athletes, between male and female athletes. Each athlete has their own challenges and predispositions which accent their individuality. Intense athletic performance can be a major stressor for an athlete and can jeopardize immune health and overall performance over time. That is why a solid recovery program is essential for an athlete at any level. Proper sports nutrition includes a foundationally healthy diet, nutritional supplementation, both basic and sport specific, appropriate rest time, and of course ample water and hydration. Certainly one of the key building blocks in an athlete's diet is protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle. Perfect protein powder is an excellent choice for protein supplementation. Its liquid consistency provides for greater absorption of essential nutrients and amino acids, and its pea-based source makes perfect protein powder the ideal protein supplement for vegans or for individuals with lactose intolerance. While it is a complete amino acid composition in its own right, perfect protein powder can be enhanced further with the addition of other nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to supercharge its basic amino acid composition. Athletes participating in intense exercise need to recognize that they will require vitamin supplementation above that of the recommended daily allowance, or RDA, given their increased metabolic expenditure. However, even with the best training regimens, athletes commonly are faced with pain and inflammation, which can impair recovery and disrupt training programs. Athletes need to seek out safe and effective approaches to help them address pain and inflammation and help them return to their training program. InflamMove is a blend of standardized botanical extracts and enzymes which work together to help support the body's natural inflammatory response. The combined action of these ingredients helps support and protect the body's connective tissues such as tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Featured in this unique product are Boswellia serrata extract, which contains boswellic acids. Boswellic acids appear to act by inhibiting leukotrienes, a class of mediators of the body's inflammatory response. Boswellic acids are reported to increase blood supply to joint tissues, thereby preventing the decline of cartilage synthesis. Turmeric root extract, another ingredient found in InflamMove, has been shown to have potent antioxidant properties and to support overall tissue health. Like boswellic acids, turmeric inhibits mediators of the inflammatory response, and as an antioxidant, turmeric protects against oxidative damage in the body. Devil's claw extract and white willow bark extract, both ingredients in InflamMove, have long histories of safely supporting the body's natural inflammatory response. Finally, the proprietary enzyme herbal blend found in InflamMove helps to expedite healing of torn and damaged muscle and enhances the athlete's return to active training. For athletes concerned about the quality of the products they put into their bodies, InflamMove is a vegetarian product and contains no sugar, salt, dairy, yeast, wheat, gluten, corn, soy, preservatives, artificial colors, or flavors. Remember, the key to enhanced athletic performance is enhanced athletic recovery. For further information on sports nutrition, speak with your pharmacist. This is pharmacist and clinical nutritionist John Prexshot bringing you your nutritional notes.